Assalamualaikum and have a nice day. Hi, my name is Muhammad Azhafiza bin Yahya, and this is the video presents my SPSS analysis for the research project title, The Influence of Athlete Celebrity Endorsement on Behavioral Intention Among Sports Participants. I will walk you through data management, cleaning, variable scoring, descriptive and inferential analysis, and the conclusion based on the research objective. I collected data from 50 sports participants using Google Forms and exported the results into Excel format. Then I imported the Excel file into SPSS through File, Import Data, Excel, and select the Excel response. All the questionnaire responses have been successfully loaded into SPSS for further analysis. I also added descriptive level for each question and assigned value labels for demographic variables like gender and income. In variable view, I rename each questionnaire item to reflect its dimension. For example, items related to attractiveness were labeled ATTR1 to ATTR5. And also behavioral intention items were labeled BI1 to BI10. And the other also the same. For trust, so I label trust 1 to trust 5, and the expertise I label expert 1 to expert 5. The fit I label fit 1 to fit 5. To describe the demographic profile of respondents, I use analyze descriptive statistics frequencies. These included age, gender, and family income for the main variables. I use analyze descriptive to get the mean and standard deviation values. This helps summarize how respondents perceive each endorsement dimension and their behavioral intentions. There are no missing values in the dataset, so it's ready for analysis. Following the scoring manual, I computed 5 new variables using transform computed variable. Each new variable represents the mean of related questionnaire items. For example, variable attractiveness was computed by averaging ATTR1 to ATTR5. The same was done for trust, expertise, fit, and behavioral intention. To identify potential outliers, I use the explore function under Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, Explore. I select the computed variables and enable box plot. No major outliers were detected as most responses fell within the expected range. In the same explore output, I review the normality statistics. The Shapiro test showed p-values above 0.05 for all variables, indicating that the data is normally distributed. The skewness and kurtosis values were also within the acceptable ±2 range. To describe the demographic profile of respondents, I use Analyze Descriptive Statistics Frequencies. These included age, gender, and family income for the main variables. I use Analyze Descriptive to get the mean and standard deviation values. This helps summarize how respondents perceive each endorsement dimension and their behavioral intentions. To answer the research objective, I conducted a Pearson correlation analysis using Analyze, Correlate, and Behaviorate. The results showed significant positive relationships between each endorsement dimension and behavioral intention. Trust and faith had the strongest correlation, supporting the hypothesis that athlete celebrity endorsement influence consumer behavior. For conclusion, the analysis confirms that the athlete celebrity endorsement, particularly trust and fit with the product, is positively related to behavioral intention. This suggests that the image and credibility of athlete endorsers play a key role in influencing consumer decision making. That's all from me. Thank you for watching my video.